Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have a business or creator Instagram and access to Meta Business Manager. This matters because DNS verification ties to that account. Next, log into your domain registrar and open the DNS zone. Make sure you can edit records and note the TTL so you know propagation timing. Once done, choose the verification method. Add a TXT record for verification or a CNAME if instructed. Copy the exact value now, because small typos break verif. Now you add the DNS records. Create the TXT record with the exact string from Meta. Case and spacing must match, so paste not type. If the instruction gives you a CNAME, enter the host name and point it to the target host. Do not convert that to a record with an IP address, because verification expects a host. Make sure to set TTL low, for example 300 seconds, so changes propagate quickly. Then save and note the change time. Once your DNS records are live, go back to the Instagram or Meta verification flow and click Verify. Verification can be near instant or take up to 48 hours, so check with a DNS lookup tool after a few minutes. If it fails, make sure the record name matches exactly, for example, use at or the specific subdomain, and that no duplicate TXT or conflicting CNAME exists. If problems persist, lower the TTL, wait, and retry verification.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.